All right, today we are trying the magnetic wristband. Never tried one of these before, but I will tell you it is going to come in major handy for the simple fact that I do a lot of crafting. A lot. So there's times that I will use little baby screws. Screwdrivers, tiny nails, things that are easy to lose, drop, things like that. There's also times that I will need to use, my knives or whatever it is. So it claims that this is super strong magnets. So let's check it out. I'm going to go ahead and take off my Fitbit. Put that right there. All right. Now in the inside of the package there was this stronger magnets to be a powerful man. Okay, so I'm gonna change that woman because obviously I am a female. So we are going to go ahead, put this back on. Yes, get that work done. Do it, girl. Do it. All right, so on the inside it says magnetic wristband material made of 100% 1680D ballistic polyester. Built-in super powerful magnets. Adjustable, fits all men and women. Finally, they recognize us. Provides a third helping hand when you need it most. Ideal for many woodworking, home improvement, and do-it-yourself projects. Yes. Embedded with super strong magnets for holding screws, scissors, or small tools. That's going to be awesome and very helpful. Okay. So that's all that really came with it. Here's the back picture. All right. So let's give it a whirl. See what we got here. Oh, that's cool. So there's like a little pocket here too. So ooh, okay, so there's a magnet right there, but I wonder if I can stick something in there. Maybe I didn't put it on tight enough. Because it was spinning on me. So let's try that again. Okay, so it has its little pocket. You can put things in there so it's easy to grab when you need it. All right. So we'll have that there. I don't know if it's because that's in there. Let's see. Could be because this is pretty old and it's dirty. Yeah, so we're not going to use that. But so I just went ahead and picked up all of my screws, my little tiny screwdrivers, which now this will come in handy. Because when I'm doing my crafts or my jewelry or whatever it may be, or hanging up pictures or something like that, this is helpful. Like it said, this is a third hand. This is over and beyond a third hand. This is like your whole toolkit coming with you. So again, it has its pocket. There's a magnet there, and another pocket. That's cool. Magnet. 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 magnets, 2 pockets. It's easy to come off, but it sticks right to it. So it's pretty awesome. I like it. I like how the picture shows like a pliers and all sorts of really really big wrenches and items like that. That's awesome. Okay, well, thanks. Bye.